My new Apple Watch Series 9 just came in the mail, so let's take a look. I am very excited. This is Apple's first carbon neutral product. I know there's some iffiness around what carbon neutral actually is with the allowances and credits and all that stuff, but it's cool they're making an effort, and this package definitely feels like it's in the right direction. There's no plastic whatsoever here. I was surprised opening this up. This pattern in here is really cool. I'm a graphic designer by trade, so I appreciate some really fun, colorful design. Of course, I went for the pink aluminum case Apple Watch, 45 millimeters. So of course the Series 9 has the double tap hand gesture that's new. I'm really curious how this will play out. I think it's really cool. I just have to get used to the fact that I have it now. The pink is very subtle. Reminds me of some other previous pink aluminum options, but I'm glad it's not too strong. I think it'll match other bands a lot better, but yeah, it's a nice touch. I went for the guava braided solo loop this time. I wanted to try something new and love anything pink. Previously, I've used almost exclusively the Velcro bands, which are super comfortable and lightweight, and hoping this will be the same. The material looks and feels really nice, and I really like that there's metal on either end too. The Velcro ones always have the plastic ends and felt a little cheap. Love this color. So pretty. It's nice and stretchy too. Hoping this size will be right. They have you measure your wrist for the solo loop, so we'll see. Off with the old and on with the new. So glad the new band fits nicely and it's really comfortable. I'm excited. Of course, the watch comes with the usual instructions, but this time around the charging cable is USB-C, which I'm very excited for, along with my new iPhone 15 Pro Max, because now I can just use the USB-C for everything. There you have it, that's all I've got for this unboxing video. If you liked it like Dexter here, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. I'm really trying to hit my 1,000 subscribers to earn some ad revenue here on YouTube, so help me out. Thanks.